Thank you so much, Pulkit and Anya Wellness, for inviting me to answer my perspective on these questions. I feel I look at work and health from a larger perspective, which is life. So the important question is work a subset of life, or is life a subset of work? So in my own opinion is, work is a subset of life, and life has a very large umbrella to cover in. And to have a beautiful life, to have a meaningful life, to enjoy your life, you need to be healthy. So, and it is not work versus life, but actually it is, having a healthy life being at work. This question has been important and has been asked from time to time by a lot of experts, and day-to-day people ask, is my work affecting my health, or is it making me sick? What can I do? So the answer is, look at yourself, how I can ensure while I'm working, how I can do little things which keeps me healthy. And when you're healthy, you enjoy work, you enjoy being around with people, you enjoy social distancing nowadays, and you enjoy being yourself. Work and health are two important components of a bigger thing called life. We always see work and life separately, but if you see in a larger perspective, do you work for life, or do you live for work? A lot of people keep asking these questions to themselves, and there have been a lot of conversations also happening on this topic. So my opinion is, life is a larger perspective, and work is just a subset of it. And when you think of work is a subset of life, and think of your own job is also a mini subset of your own life. Many people feel, a lot of us at times become workaholic and forget to, take care of our health. But I think, if we look at health and complement it with work, we can have a healthy lifestyle while working. This has been a question which has been asked from time to time, is my work affecting my health, or is it making me sick, or what should I do? So actually, not everyone has the luxury to change or leave their jobs, and especially at the time of pandemic, when a lot of people are already losing their jobs, and there are less of the opportunities in the market and more of candidates in the market. What do we do when we are working? We make simple steps, and we make simple modifications to our day-to-day lifestyle, which makes our day-to-day life healthy and makes us enjoy our work. Think of yourself. Are you sleeping well? First parameter, is it the good 6.5 to 8 hours of sleep you are taking? Are you, if you're not taking, or if you're compromising on the sleep, are you taking power naps in the afternoon? How does your work schedule look like? Do you always keep sitting, or you make short breaks, or move from your desk or home desk, or move from your seat? So if the answer is no, just make little modifications. Or is it too much of a stress you are creating? Are you exercising, and or your schedules are overly packed? Actually, this becomes a good dilemma to answer. Is it my career, or is it my health? So, little lifestyles, when you have meeting, maybe get up for a little minute, do short pranayams just before starting your meeting, can release a lot of stress while you're working, and makes you feel happier, and of course more productive while you are at work. Unhealthy lifestyle is not just the factor to blame for the distorted health. Many a times, it is because of our habits also. So developing happy habits, developing healthy habits can actually lead to staying healthy at work. Now, how do we stay healthy at work? Just for your emotional health, frequently talk to your colleagues. For your physical health, take out time for exercise, eat healthy, have proper sleep. I'm sure these all are the things that you have been talking and hearing from a lot of people nowadays. We will be covering a lot of more of these answers in our upcoming video to talk, how we can really think on simple steps to have a healthy lifestyle. So is it work or is it health which is more important? I would say healthy lifestyle or a healthy life creates a better working environment, not only for the person and also for the employer as well. So a combination of both is important. One gives you happiness and one gives you longevity and a meaningful life. Thank you.